guys, welcome to the channel and welcome to a new video. So it's 24th of Feb, on my way to pick my mom up from work, and you can see it's snowing now. Yeah, so I just want to quickly show you. So that's my Clio. As you know, I've already shown you guys in the channel. Washed it just day before yesterday. It was nice and pristine. Snow is nice, but the worst thing is getting in the car first thing in the morning. Let's do this cold start. So it's a 1.5 diesel, very nice semi-leather interior. So let me start this car. Trying to get this cleared as much as I can. We'll just do a quick walk around while the car's getting warm. There's the car, 2017 Clio in beautiful red. That's my sister just shouting because she's a bit cold. Got a nice LED light which is pretty cool at night for clear visibility. This is my daily now, quite enjoy it. Black alloys, LED backlights. The back space, it's not as good as what I thought it was. Well, let's open the trunk or boot, whatever you call this. I've actually got myself a spare wheel, and I carry a jack because, as you know, these new cars, they don't come with tires or anything. One thing I really like about the car is the fuel efficiency. Well, this car achieves anywhere between 45 MPG to 60 MPG, which is great, especially great on motorway. Just done a recent London trip, Glasgow London, costed me about 45 quid. Yeah, so impressive fuel efficiency, you see. So the mileage now is 30,000 miles. Interior is okay. Got this infotainment system, it got the DAB radio and all that, but unfortunately it doesn't really come with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Got a keyless entry, start stop, which is quite handy, I'll be honest with you. Leave the key in your pocket and get in the car. Them old school handbrake, which is cool. I'm not quite a huge fan of the electric one. This actually got an armrest, which is pretty cool feature that I like to have. Then you got all electric windows, parking sensor, and auto start stop, which I hate. Really annoying. I think it's also worth mentioning how the car drives. Well, I'm driving on the snow and I've done it before as well when it snowed last time. It drives pretty well for what the car is. Front wheel drive, so unlike rear wheel drive, it can be a bit tricky. This one, well, I had brand new tire, I mentioned some Goodyear, and it's actually doing pretty well, to be honest. As always guys, if you have liked this video, do make sure to give it a little thumbs up, share, subscribe, all that thing. Nearly 2,000 subscribers, so exciting guys. Let's just make it, come on, 1,000 man, let's do it. And yeah, thanks for watching, goodbye.